Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we will be seeing one of the weaknesses which is available in our Wi-Fi's WPA and WPA2, which is sometimes enabled, which is WPS. So let's see which Wi-Fi has been enabled with WPS. So we will be using wash space dash dash interface, then the name of our wireless adapter in monitor mode, and you can see that one of the Wi-Fi named Ahuja having this BSS ID is been enabled WPS, and there is no lock. If there is lock, we can't perform this attack, so we will be performing this attack. And now we will be performing fake authentication using AirPlay NG. So AirPlay NG and followed by, no, we will not be performing ARP replay, so let me erase this. I will be performing fake authentication, AirPlay NG dash dash fake authentication, fake AUTH, then 30. It will be connecting every 30 seconds, so that's why I kept it 30. Then followed by dash A, MAC of our victim. So I will be copying it from the above and pasting it here. Now followed by dash H and MAC of our machine. So let's see our MAC if config. So you can see that if our wireless adapter is in monitor mode, it will be coming as unspecified. We will be copying 12 digits and removing these dash and putting colons rather than this. So let's do it. So for this attack we will be using reverb, and we will be manually connecting it. So for this we are using fake authentication. So now we will be using an older version of reverb because the latest version has a problem. So I will be providing the link of older version in the description. You can check it out. So we will be going in downloads. Then to use the reverb present in this folder, we will be using // then the whole command, so which is reverb space dash dash BSS ID of the victim. I will be pasting it here. Now space dash dash channel, which is 1, and then space dash dash interface which we are using, which is WLAN 0. So to show all the information, we will be using dash /V to show all the information. And then as we are connecting it manually using fake authentication, we don't want this to connect it because it crashes sometimes. So dash dash no associate, and now I will proceed. So as you can see that the Wi-Fi is far from us by dBm, which is -90. That means the Wi-Fi is far from us, so it can take a longer time, more than expected. So I will be seeing you when the key has been cracked. So the Wi-Fi has been cracked, and now we will be seeing, you can see down WPS pin which the printer used to connect to the Wi-Fi, and see, took me more than 2 hours because the Wi-Fi was far from me, so it was disconnecting again and again. If the Wi-Fi is in our range, it will not take that much time. And you can see WPA PSK, which is Abhay G Ahuja, which is the password. Thank you, and for more videos like this, stay tuned to our channel.